Tomorrow marks 5 years since a lone gunman armed with an AK-47 opened fire at an East El Paso Walmart, killing 23 people. We all remember the lives lost that tragic day. Well, this weekend, the community is coming together to honor those whose lives were cut short that Saturday morning. Patrick Crusius, who has already been convicted in federal court, is set to face a state judge in September. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Estela Casas. Thanks for choosing 9 News Now. And 5 years later, and there has been little to no movement in the state case against Patrick Crusius, the man charged with killing 23 people and injuring dozens of others in what prosecutors say was a racially motivated massacre on August 3rd, 2019. On November 5th, El Pasoans will head to the polls to decide which candidate for district attorney will take the lead in sentencing Crusius in state court. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Tirza Ortiz sat down with the Republican incumbent Bill Hicks and his opponent, Democratic candidate James Montoya, in light of this year's remembrance. And she's live from downtown El Paso with more. Tirza.
That's right, Estella. It's a question top of mind for many El Pasoans. Why has it taken 5 years and counting to put Patrick Crusius on trial? Now, I spoke with the sitting district attorney, Bill Hicks, along with his opponent, James Montoya, and they shared with me their prosecution priorities ahead of the election. 5 years later, from August 3rd, 2019, and the Walmart shooter continues to sit in El Paso County Jail, waiting to be tried by the state of Texas to determine his fate. With 3 different district attorneys handling the case over the span of 5 years, the question of why the case has taken so long to go to trial remains. Current district attorney Bill Hicks attributes the duration to a change in jurisdiction.
While he's in the custody of the federal government, the state case cannot legally proceed. We can't have any hearings in the state case where he's supposed to be present, which would be any hearing where there's going to be a contested matter.
Meanwhile, his opponent, James Montoya, places the brunt of the blame on the DA handling the case before Hicks, Yvonne Rosales.
There's not going to be any more musical chairs, no more changes to the personnel working on the case. In fact, if anything, we're going to bring additional resources, additional staff.
With Montoya ready to get the train back on the tracks and Hicks declaring that his office is ready to go to trial, where the two candidates differ in prosecution strategies, they both aim to bring closure to the community.
I can only hope that I have the ability to see this case through. That's all I really seek to do, is to get justice for our community and justice for the people who have been involved in this case.
It's frustrating, like I said, for the community. It's frustrating for the survivors. I'm very, very sorry that they've been let down by the state of Texas, up until this point.
And both Hicks and Montoya tell me that they do not expect for a trial date to be set before Election Day, explaining to me that in order to go through the pretrial process as well as select a jury, this could take months to get to. For now, live in downtown El Paso, Tirza Ortiz, KTSM 9 News.